Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, hello!
What are you doing, Mr. Tumble?
Well, I'm just getting Tumble Ted ready for the day. Doesn't he look smart?
You look very smart too, Mr. Tumble.
Me? Oh, I know. Hey. Oh, it's the Morning Post. Wait. Exciting. Hey.
What is it, Mr. Tumble?
Ooh, it's a letter for Granddad Tumble. There we are. Granddad Tumble, you've got some post.
Yes, the boy. What is it?
Good morning, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, hello.
I think there's some post for you, Grandad Tumble.
Post for me? Oh, how exciting. Right. Well, it's an invitation from the Bus Museum. They want to give me an award for all my years driving the buses.
Wow, that's brilliant. I didn't know you drove buses, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, yes. I've driven lots of buses over the years. Great times.
When are you getting your award, Grandad Tumble?
Well, let's have a look, shall we? Ooh, it's soon. I need to look very smart to collect my award. I better go and find my bow tie. Ooh.
Bye, Grandad Tumble.
Bye-bye.
Ugh, I can't find Grandad Tumble anywhere.
He's getting ready for a special day at the Bus Museum, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, how exciting! Woohoo!
You best get ready too, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, yes! Grandad Tumble, wait for me!
Bye, Mr. Tumble.
Bye-bye! See you soon! Woohoo! Mr. Tumble's Busy Bus Day!
Coming soon to CBeebies and BBC iPlayer.